In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect DJI Drone to a phone, be it iOS or Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Connecting a DJI Drone to your phone allows for real-time video streaming, control, and easy access to settings and flight data. It enhances the flying experience with intuitive controls and features through the DJI app. To begin, open the DJI app on your mobile device. Once the app is running, navigate to the Connection Guide section. In this section, you'll need to find and select your specific DJI model from the list. After selecting your model, the app will guide you through the necessary steps to establish a connection, which should appear on your screen. For instance, in my case, the app instructed me to remove the control sticks and install them again. After that, I was prompted to press the power button on the remote controller, then press and hold it once more to power it on. Following this, I connected my mobile device to the remote controller using the provided RC cable. These steps are typically all that's required for a successful connection. However, if you need more detailed instructions or run into any issues during the process, you can always connect your mobile device directly to the remote controller and then link the remote controller to the aircraft. Once connected, you'll have access to more features such as setting the maximum altitude for your flight and configuring additional system settings. This ensures you're ready for a smooth and controlled flying experience. By following these instructions, you can quickly and easily connect your mobile device and remote controller to your DJI aircraft, making the setup process efficient and straightforward. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.